Thinking about joining Digital Boss Academy? Hold up, watch this first because it might not be what you expect. Hey Queen, I'm Abby, and I help everyday women turn what they already know into digital income, even if they don't have followers, a fancy tech, or a big budget. Let's break this down. No hype, just the real deal. So, what exactly is DBA, Digital Boss Academy? DBA is an online training program that teaches you how to create and sell digital products. But it doesn't stop there. It also gives you the resale rights to the entire program itself, meaning you can earn commissions even up to 100% on certain packages by sharing it with other people. Now, let's break it down simply. What are digital products? A digital product, simply put, is when you take an idea, a skill, or knowledge that you already have, something you're good at, something that solves a problem or helps people to provide a solution to something that they need. And you turn it into something like a product people can buy and download and use it to solve that pain point to meet that need. Maybe someone wants to earn a side income, design better graphics, monetize their social media, or learn affiliate marketing. You can create a product that helps them get results. Think online courses, ebooks, templates, workbooks. There's no stockpiling, there's no shipping, no inventory, no stress. So it's like a PDF or like a file. It's just your brain work, your phone, and your story. You can even let AI and templates do the heavy lifting for you. And here's where Digital Boss Academy comes in. It teaches you exactly how to do all of this, even if you think you have no ideas yet. And it gives you access to done for you digital products that you can customize and resell. You also learn step by step how to market and sell those products and start earning. Why do I love it? Because it's beginner friendly. You don't need a huge audience. You get done for you templates, you get your own online store links, and access to a private school classroom and a community where you learn, grow, and ask for help anytime. This is a smart girl hustle without all the overwhelm. So, who is it for? This is for the woman who's tried things before. Maybe you've sold makeup or skincare or got tired of chasing people for payment. Maybe you've posted on Instagram for years and years but never earned a single cent. If you're a busy mom, a 9 to 5 woman with a creative fire, or a queen with dreams and Wi Fi, this was made for you. Now, let me be honest with you. This is not a sign up today, blow tomorrow miracle. No. You still have to learn the basics, apply the training, and put in consistency. You also need to send your proof of purchase to get full access to the volumes and the community. Here's what you get. Volume 1, basics. What are digital products, how to set up. Volume 2, templates, tools, and your own store. Volume 3, scaling, automation, and reseller rights. Plus bonus trainings, live replays, swipe files, and more inside the school classroom. You literally just watch, follow, copy the steps, upload, and sell. Let me show you what it actually looks like on the inside. When you join Digital Boss Academy, you get instant access to this private classroom. It's hosted on a platform called Skool, and it's not just another course. This is an interactive learning hub where everything is organized into modules. Volume 1 gives you foundation into what this is all about. What are digital products, how to create them, the tools to use, how to set up your stand store or baking store and create offers. Volume 2 takes it deeper. You get Canva template done for your digital products you can sell or resell, DFYs, lead magnet builders, email marketing basics, and how to create your own first funnel. Volume 3 is all about scaling and selling. You learn how to build your own course, use affiliate marketing, master Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and content creation, and earn from the reseller opportunity. Yes, you can resell DBA itself. You also see bonus tabs like live call replays, pre-recorded video trainings, template, prompt captions, group Q&As and challenges. Plus, there's a community tab where you can post, ask questions, and help and get help directly from other students and even the mentors. DBA includes a done for you vault, DFY vault, a full library of ready-made digital products you can customize and sell as your own. This covers topics like personal growth, business, health, wealth, motivation, and even more, saving you time and giving you a head start. And the best part, the platform is designed to support multiple languages so more people can join in and succeed no matter where they're starting from. It's like having a mentorship room in your own pocket available to you 24/7. For me, I tried selling physical products, makeup, skincare, jewelry. Even though I love doing this, it wasn't always smooth. Inventory, delivery delays, customer follow up. But once I stepped into the digital space, everything changed. I knew it was for me. I finally had freedom. No more chasing payments, no more stock keeping, just digital value and women saying, thank you, this has really helped me. So before you join this program, ask yourself, do you want to learn how to earn online in a way that doesn't burn you out? Then this is your sign. Comment DBA below to get a free guide, or tap the link in my bio to join today, and I will support you on this journey step by step. You can also scan the QR code that's showing on the screen right now for more resources. This is not just about money, this is about options, having a business that frees you, not drains you, and showing other women that it's possible because you've experienced it. Let's build together, let's glow, let's rise, because you, my queen, are built for more.